Hey guys, it's Kyle here with Dark Iron Diesel. Today I'm going to do a video on installing Flo-Pro delete pipes on a 2016 Ram 3500 with the 6.7 Cummins, of course. I'm also going to do an EGR delete on it as well. I'll post that video separately. But yeah, if you guys find this video useful, please like and subscribe. And if you don't find it useful, comment what you want to know and I'll try to reply, or you can follow me on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel and I'll shoot me a message and I'll try to help you out. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is the truck we're working on today. It's nice and clean, which is what I like to see. And this is part number 868NB. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to unplug all the sensors. We got one up here. You gotta unplug this thing here. It's got the locking tab, so slide it over, slide the red piece up, and then pull it off. This is kind of a pain in the ass to take out. I usually just grab pliers and just kind of wiggle it and just rip it out and then just pop this off. Or if you know you're not reusing it, I mean, even just putting a little pry bar there and prying it off, and it usually pops off not bad. And another plug here, and there's plugs all over this thing, more over in the back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and then I'll show you what it looks like and we'll go over the plugs then. Okay, I have everything disconnected now, all these plugs and everything. I just want to show you where I'm going to be unbolting it. So here's your downpipe that goes right up to the turbo. I'm just going to unbolt it here. It's 3 bolts or 3 nuts, and they're 16 millimeter. If you're doing a 4-inch exhaust, you just bolt it up to here as well, because this is a 4-inch pipe, so there's no reason for Flo-Pro to send you a kit right from the turbo because you already have a 4-inch. If you go to a 5-inch exhaust, then you're going to be taking this pipe off the turbo and putting a turbo back 5-inch. Anyways, so there's that one. Here's the middle one, also 16 millimeter nuts. And then the back one, soak it down in some penetrating fluid because this is really rusty. This is a 15. Probably gonna need a hammer to tap a 15 socket on there. But try not to break this because you really need this clamp if you're doing the delete pipes. If you're not doing the delete pipes, I usually just get a Sawzall and just chop it kind of up here somewhere and then just pull it off in 2 pieces. Another thing I want to mention before I forget, I see these on Duramaxes, Cummins, whatever. I do not know how they unplug here. I have no idea, so I always just unplug them at this end. It's a simple plug, and this was bolted up there somewhere, and then I just unbolted it and this will go off with the exhaust. So that's how I deal with these, because I'm sure some of you guys are going to have that question when you see this plug. This is at the back of the filter here, so the back of the exhaust where the tailpipe connects. So I'm having a little problem here. I can't get either section out because there's not enough play in the exhaust hangers. So basically this is just kind of wedged in here right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Sawzall, and at the back here, this is the tailpipe section here, I'm going to cut it on the inside of this weld, and then this part will drop down, and then I'll have this little chunk left in here, and I'll beat it out with a hammer after, and that's going to be way quicker than, you know, unbolting, taking this tailpipe off, or, you know, taking the downpipe off the turbo. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so here we have it out. So I'll quickly go over everything that needs to be unplugged. So on this front section, we got 1, 2, and then this guy here for 3. This back section, we have your def injector, this connector, another one here, another one here. I think that's it. So what was that, 4-ish? Here's the little, like what I said I was gonna do. Just cut this, pound it out, it worked perfect. So here's that piece. And then there's one more sensor on the tailpipe right after the clamp. I unplugged that one too, but that one stays on the truck. So here's what it looks like under the truck. There was this guy too that was on the downpipe. These are always stuck into the side. I always use a upholstery tool and pop them out, and then it gives you a little more wire so that you can you know, work more to get them out and unplug them. Sometimes you need to use a pick and shove a pick in here and try to clean out some of the dirt and stuff like that that makes it not want to come free. Here are all these guys, and yeah, all the way back to here. So I'm gonna stick these guys back where they belong in the frame, and anyone that's left hanging out, I'll zip tie them up tight, and then I'll put in the delete pipes. All right, so we got the delete pipes in. One clamp here, and it's got this clamp up there that goes in those hangers. And then the back, I buffed this out with a buffer wheel, and then sprayed some penetrating fluid on there, and then slid this pipe in. It worked good. And then I slid this pipe in the connection, and then I did that one end. I did that at the end there, so everything went in really smooth, and I had no issues. This back pipe is bent a little bit right here, and the instructions just said to put the inside of the bend to the frame, so that's what I did, and it all seemed to work good. So yeah, that's it. We'll go fire up and see how she sounds. So I'm not sure what you guys are using for tuning. I use EFI Live. I'm also gonna have to unplug these. There's also a throttle valve on the back of your intake elbow. You gotta unplug that if you're running EFI Live tuning. And then this guy up here. So just something to keep in mind. You're gonna wanna unplug that. Better just get rid of it, which is what I'm gonna do on this truck. And I'm gonna make a video of me getting rid of this EGR as well. But I just figured that I should mention that. So that's it for the video. Like I said, I'm gonna keep at her here and make another video doing the EGR delete on this truck. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to comment and I'll reply. Find me on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. Shoot me a message if you guys got any issues about anything diesel related. No, I'll do my best to help you. And like I said before, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out making these videos for you guys. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.